Good evening, everybody. This is Steve, Monday Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. This video is being recorded just after 9 p.m. on September 28th. And I just wanted to give you a quick hurricane update on Hurricane Ian. Ian has actually made landfall earlier today in Florida, and the center of circulation is continuing to move through the state of Florida. And as you can see in this blue shaded area here, that is an extreme wind warning out for folks in that area for winds well in excess of 100 miles an hour or more. Certainly getting some catastrophic damage still in the lower sections of Florida. Plenty of rainfall occurring there as well. The storm will continue to move through the state of Florida during the overnight hours and into the day on Thursday. And the storm will actually cut out over the Atlantic, and it will weaken a little bit as it does and become a tropical storm before making landfall once again, really between Savannah and Charleston, as the storm will make its way up into the Carolinas and the track takes it. Actually, the center of circulation is going to be very close to Charlotte and in between Hickory and Salisbury. So that track continues to shift a little more east. And as it does, it actually increases our rain chances for Friday and Saturday, as well as our wind chances. And we'll talk about those in just a moment. First, let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are showing in terms of when the rain will start here in the county. And you can see this is 11 a.m. on Friday, and the rain starting to move into the county in the area. There you can see some heavy rainfall off just to the south and the east. And as we take you in 3-hour increments, this is now 2 p.m. and you can see moderate to heavy rainfall going on around the county. By 5 p.m., moderate to heavy rainfall continues. Matter of fact, very heavy rainfall is likely during this time as well. 8 p.m. Friday evening, continuing to see heavy rainfall. As we head to 11 p.m. on Friday evening, continuing to see very heavy rainfall. This is now 2 a.m. Saturday morning, continuing to see very heavy rainfall occurring in portions of the county. By 5 a.m. Saturday morning, starting to see more of a moderate rainfall around the county with pockets of heavy rainfall in the area. As we head to 8 a.m. Saturday morning, still seeing moderate to heavy rainfall occurring not only in the county but around the area. By 11 a.m. Saturday morning, continuing to see moderate rainfall going on around the county, and some breaks actually making their way into the system as well. By 2 p.m. Saturday afternoon, continuing to see rain falling around the county in the area. This is now 5 p.m. Saturday afternoon. This is now 8 p.m. Saturday evening, and you can see some of this rain starting to really move out. This is now 11 p.m. Saturday evening. And as we head into the overnight hours of Saturday and the Sunday morning, still seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall in places. This is 5 a.m. Sunday morning, moderate to heavy rainfall still occurring. This is now 8 a.m. Sunday morning, continuing to see moderate to heavy rainfall. And now by 11 a.m., rain starting to ease up a little bit on Sunday morning. And we're starting to see a lot of dry pockets of air make their way in as well by 2 p.m. Sunday. 5 p.m., still seeing some rain as well. And then as we head to the 8 p.m. hour Sunday evening, still seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall in some places. By 11 p.m. Sunday evening, still seeing some pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall. And then as we head into the overnight hours of Sunday into Monday, rain continues, but we'll continue to see some breaks in the action with the system. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're expecting in terms of impacts from the storm now. Deep tropical moisture associated with Ian will bring the potential for flood and heavy rainfall threat to the county and the area. Gusty winds are forecasted to enter the area ahead of the storm beginning on Thursday. And as we take a look at the thunderstorm threats with the system as it moves through, because by the time it gets here, it will be a remnant low. Not really a thunderstorm, but certainly has a lot of the criteria that we would look for with thunderstorms since this is a tropical system. Tornado threat's going to be low for us. The major threat or the bigger threat for tornadoes is going to be off along the coast. Damaging winds are moderate for us, but that level may get raised as we head into the next 24 hours, as we're starting to see gusts being forecasted by the models as being much stronger with the track of the storm shifting more toward our direction with that center of circulation passing between Salisbury and Hickory. So we're going to continue to keep an eye on that, and we may update the threat level on that over the next 24 hours. No concerns for hail with this. flooding continues to be the big issue with the amount of rainfall we're going to see. And as you can see, looking around the area, we're actually going to raise our rainfall accumulation possibilities. We've been calling for 2 to 3 inches of rainfall over the last couple of days, but now with that center of circulation moving closer to us, that actually increases our rainfall accumulation chances here. So looking at maybe 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, with a lot of the rainfall, the majority of the heavier rainfall occurring on the western side of the county, closer to that center of circulation. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that, keep you updated. The winds have certainly been a big change for us, as we've been looking really at winds somewhere around 35 miles an hour for gusts. But now that the system has shifted a little bit back more our way in terms of the track, we're looking at wind gusts potentially gusting up to 51, 52 miles an hour around the county as we head into the overnight hours of Friday into Saturday. So certainly something we'll continue to keep an eye on. We'll continue to keep you updated on this. We'll put out more Hurricane Ian updates throughout the day tomorrow on Thursday and keep you updated. Then, of course, on Friday, as we go through the day, we'll continue to keep you updated as well with more video updates. And on Saturday, as warranted, as long as we continue to have power here, that would be the big concern, is that the power could potentially go out around the county with the amount of rainfall we're going to see, the gusty winds that are possible here. The ground's going to be very saturated. Some of those weakened root systems for the trees could give way and cause trees to come down on power lines. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it, keep you updated as we get closer and closer to the remnants of Ian making their way into the county and into the area. For now, enjoy the remainder of your Wednesday. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and we'll talk to you more tomorrow.